Hey guys, it's Lenena. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this 3-strand twist out. So I'm starting with an O twist out. I put a little part there to know where I want to start. I'll finger section my hair out. And I'll put the rest of my hair away. First I start by spraying water onto my hands or in my hair. And just smoothing that through. And I'll take my CANTU leave-in conditioner and apply that. Apply it from the ends to the roots. Then I take my oil blend by Melanin hair care and I smooth that in, ends to roots. Making sure I get a lot on those ends. And then I take my Melanin hair care curl style cream and apply that. If you prefer, you can comb out your hair, but it's not really necessary for the retwist. So I'm going to section my hair in threes to begin my 3-strand twist. I'm just wrapping each strand around each other. I'm going to add a little more product to my ends and a little bit more water, and I'm going to continue twisting. Now when I get close to the end, I kind of just turn it into a 2-strand and follow through with a 2-strand twist. Twist it around to get it out of the way, because if you leave it down, they will unravel. So you want to twist it up to get out of your way until you're all done. So I'm taking another section, putting the rest of it away. I'm going to spritz my water on. I'm going to smooth that through and finger detangle. Yeah, I got some grays, y'all. Finger detangling is best because you could get breakage when you're using your brush or comb. So I'm going to go ahead and put my leave-in conditioner in. Smooth it through. And I add my oil blend. And now my twist elongating shea butter cream. All right, I'm going to begin my twist again. So when you get to the end, you add more product, a little more water if you need to. And then some of them be a little even. You kind of just grab more hair from the larger section and continue twisting around. We'll go ahead and wrap that one around and put it away. And I'll show you one more, and then I'll go ahead and speed up the video. Now we are going to install our perm rods to our ends. Okay, when these are all rolled up, you just throw in your satin bonnet or sit under the hair dryer, whatever you do to get your hair to dry. And on to the next morning. So now my hair is completely dry and it's time for the takedown and results. Okay guys, now we're going to unravel our hair. I would just take it slowly and as gentle as you can to prevent frizz. I kind of just undo the twist the opposite way that I twisted them and gently pulling at the ends. And I kind of follow the hair wherever it separates as I untwist. I kind of just separate as they're separating. If you just pull it apart any kind of way, your hair will just be a big frizz ball. So yeah, just unravel the pieces that unravel. Just keep on like twisting backwards and unraveling those pieces. You see how the hair is separating. You just follow that separation pattern.